Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any new Hamster Kombat updates. Today, I'm going to walk you through today's mini-game in Hamster Kombat and show you how to move the key from the left side of the screen to the right side. Alright, let's dive in. Remember, this is a timed game, so you need to be quick. First, I'll give an idea of the moves slowly, so you can understand the mechanics. After that, I'll show you the real-time moves so you can see how to complete the game at the required speed. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to ClickFix Tech for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.